Here's part I don't know anymore. And this is like part 4. What are they doing? Oh, it's just a snow bomb. Yeah, it's just a snow bomb. Smoke bombs are like daytime things. I don't have one. I don't need one. I can come to your house. Wait, tomorrow? Push me a camera and go to your house. Ooh, that one's pretty cool.
Whoa.
Dad, can I light one? I haven't lit one yet. I bet you that one's gonna catch on fire soon. It's smoking. Brayden! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh my god! Run! Oh my god! 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 Oh, that was so cool! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that was scary! Oh wait, this one's about to catch fire, dude. Look. Some burning. Holy crap, that was scary. That exploded right next to my face.
You're running so fast.
Yes.
Of me running?
I saw you running and then one exploded on me. I'm posting this on YouTube.
Wait, did you get me running?
I think. I don't know. I gotta look back soon. After I'm done. Oh my god, that was insane. Yes! Is that the grand finale?
Oh wait, let's save that one, man.
Oh.
Save that one.
I was gonna like
It's
this.
just a 12 shot. It's the same as all the other ones. Alright, I'll shoot
Wait, I was gonna light it.
it. Oh, okay.
Because I haven't lit one yet.
There you go. You have a little one.
It's hard to see it. Where is it? Oh god! Ah! Oh, there it goes! Ow! That was my first one. No! Oh my god! Oh my god! It wasn't as crazy as the last one, but still. Yeah, here. You need to pump that? Alright, that'll probably be the one on me. I don't know. That last one, that was insane. When, oh no! It's catching on fire! Guys, we got another fire! Ah! Oh my god! I like her throwing pop rocks at this. Throw it! Get out! Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh no! There, get out. Oh my god! There's a motorcycle. Or a bike. my god, do you think I can come over to your house tonight? No, it's back on fire! No, it's on fire! Oh no! Oh no! Guys, it's on fire! Dude! No, guys, something's on fire! No, there's a fire! It's not good! What? No! Ice. We're trying to put ice in it! Look at this. Oh, just a stroke. Okay, I'm gonna be with you the rest of the time. I'm gonna stay with Micah the rest of the time. Then we're doing our fireworks. Micah, I'm gonna stay with you the rest of the time. Dude, I caught the one that we got failed on camera.
You did?
Yeah, I'm posting it on YouTube.
I want to see it.
Okay, hold on. I'm not done recording. Oh my god! I thought you were pointing it at me. I thought you were just pointing that at me.
That almost hit my head. Did you see that?
God, that was scary. She pointed it at me.
Imagine someone was so impatient after like 2 seconds. They're like, why isn't it lighting? And they looked at it and started going.
Oh, that'd be horrible. I thought that was a Supra. That was a Toyota Supra. That'd be so cool. All right.
I have pictures of a Supra we saw the other day.
Yeah, I've seen a few Supras here in Lubbock.
I've mostly seen a red one.
Yeah, they're the new ones. Yeah, technically. They're not.
Toyota, but it's everything in that is actually manufactured.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at that one. This one's cool. So guys, I think I've only caught in 2 fails on camera. I don't know. This one at least has to have the most. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god.
Where's the pump? He still has the pump.
You thought James is trash? If I were you, I'm gonna run. We got to light it with a lighter this time. Please, no, it's going out. Please don't go out. Oh, oh my god. Thank God, oh. That was cool. Micah! Holy crap, that one was a bomb. Micah! Wait, what are you doing? Did you get a bunk? Did it go out?
Where did my thing go? I had 2 bees.
Bees? So me and my cousin are just looking for something.
I'm mistaken, Jason.
Oh, they're right here. All of our trash is blowing away. I know, these people they got some big fireworks, dude. Are y'all getting ready to go?
You want us to?
No.
Mom, is it okay if Jason comes to my house? Please? No.
Can I come tomorrow? Micah, can I come tomorrow, maybe?
Guys, are we getting ready to go? Mom, are we getting ready to go?
For 2 hours.
What you do? I'm doing punks, man.
Whatever it is,
Hey, you have that punk still?
no.
What happened to it?
guy. Oh my god. Oh no, you're pulling it out. Oh my god. Stop. Yoo-hoo! Alright guys, so Micah, you broke it! It's fine. Dude, I'm so sad. It's already almost over.
It's like still more fireworks.
I know. We gotta pop them on another day. We're gonna pop the rest of ours on Tuesday. Because there's still a lot more of them. I think the rest of ours we're just gonna pop in our neighborhood because they're not like big fireworks. We got like fountains and like smoke bombs and pop rocks and stuff like that. Nothing big.
Come buy one of these.
Me? Or Micah?
Come on, real quick. We'll run out of like these are really fast. Light that one, and whenever that one pops off, we'll light that one.
Oh my god!
Go, Mike. Go, girl. Go, girl.
Oh my god! Oh no! Can we get back? Are these the last shells we got? No? Oh, we got a lot more. Can we buy? How long is that fuse? Okay, never mind. I hope she says yes. Like if I were you, I'd come on the other side. Yeah, that's what I was trying to warn you. Oh, ready? I'm so excited for them. Okay, guys. So July 19th is when I might take a break until July 19th, guys, because that's when we go to our trip to Houston. Let's see our grandparents. And yeah. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit too close.
How long have you been recording?
This one in 13 minutes. I've created 4 parts, I think. Or 5 parts. No, this is my 4th. Probably my last. I'm not sure. It might turn out to be a 5th. If something happens, I'll have to create a 5th part. I have to create all my videos by tomorrow. Or at least, I can't wait past tomorrow to post all my videos. I have to post them probably tonight or tomorrow. Depends. Dude, I'm gonna miss the 4th. Dude, I'm not. I'm gonna miss. Oh. I'm surprised none of the shells went to a fail like last year. Last year, a shell blew up in the field right next to my foot, which that burned my hands. Oh, this one, Micah, watch out! Oh, that one's pretty low. Oh, for a second, that was kind of embarrassing. I screamed like a little girl on YouTube. Oh my god! Oh my god! I was not expecting that. Those are very bright. Those ones go up. Micah, wait! Camera's not to light. Oh wait, never mind. You are too. There's a giant one going off over there. Oh, shoot. I like these ones. They go out like that. Oh, here's a shell. Oh, they're doing one too. That one was pretty cool right there. Oh my god, Micah, you're gonna catch the field on fire! Yay! Yay! 2 little retarded kids lighting fireworks. Dude, it's getting windy.
Oh my gosh, it just broke off the stick.
Did? What's that?
Those are bar rockets.
Oh, crap. We got another one going off. Hold on. comes over, will it just be me, really? Yeah, I probably will. Dude, this one's about to catch on fire again. Oh my God, there's a car! If Micah gets over, I'm gonna get run over. That's how it works. So only one person's allowed to go over tonight? I bet you. Dude. But it's trying to light. Dude, this way. There's a car coming. Hurry up. No! There's a car coming! Oh, that one's big. Oh my God, what is that? Dude, this fence catch on fire again. No, stop. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Micah, don't do that! Micah, don't! That's what causes it. That's what starts the fire. I just learned that. So these sparks go every. Oh, my camera's blurry. God, is my camera blurry? Oh my God! I hate it. I hate these, especially when they go on fail. Are you okay? Look at that little one. So you're not lighting anymore? Let's start on the curb, and then one explodes on the ground. Oh my God! Holy crap! It feels great to sit down. Look at all those over there. I know over there it's going off like crazy. Dang, they're so rich, dude. I know. That's in the rich neighborhood over there too. That's another rich part of town.
Hey, David!
There's several different rich parts of town. This is going insane. I know. Those are probably like really rich people. Because I know we got millionaires who live here. Dude, that thing is still going. What? Oh yeah, I know. It's like a fire. Is that a fire show? Oh look. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Oh. You are being more sassy on YouTube. You know that, right? Dude, it hasn't stopped, bro. It's still going. I know. Those probably have to be like millionaires. Thousands of dollars worth of fireworks. We spent over $500 on fireworks. I know. I got. It was like this big. What's one piece? I have a feeling that's just a fireworks show over there. That's a fireworks show. Micah, that's a fireworks show over there.
No.
Yeah.
Watch that be a neighborhood.
It's on fire.
Oh, that sucks.
That should have gone further up.
That is a show. It hasn't even stopped.
Yeah, that has to be a show. That's not a neighborhood.
Where would that be though?
Probably out in the middle of nowhere. Probably towards like Slayton, actually.
It doesn't look that far.
I know. We're pretty close to Slayton right now. Like we live. No, it's still going. Yeah, that's a fireworks show. Is that it? Okay, I'm gonna get out. Oh, are you okay? Ow! My eyes! Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh god.
It got in my mouth.
I got my eyes. What?
I have a really bad headache.
You do? From what?
I guess all the noise.
Oh. screaming and explosions. Wait, we're done?
Big ones are done, yeah.
Okay.
Imagine someone filled up their car with fireworks and threw like had a Roman candle and shot it in there. And they all exploded.
God. Alright guys, our 4th of July is over officially, and
Bye.
I will see y'all probably back on July 19th. Or probably tomorrow, because tomorrow's supposed to get storms. Anyway, I'll see y'all pretty soon. My recording schedule will be kind of weird because there's gonna be a lot of stuff coming up. So, anyways, I'll see y'all probably tomorrow, and bye.